Oh, you're there.
I just wanna say... Wala. Mema. Kumusta workday? Oo, kanina meron. Tapos, nag-gym na ako after. So, uwi na tayo. Congratulations, so many blessings. Thank you.
Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan.
Dati
Dating pag-ibig wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal na kailangan pa man.
3%.
Huwag kang mag-isip ano pa man.
Nasa vibe ka ulit sa Sunday. Wala ako sa Sunday eh. Hindi ako binigyan ng schedule. Nag-text kanina. Hindi daw tayo kasali this Sunday. So, pahinga tayo. Hindi daw kasi ako magaling. Joke lang.
Nakaraan, mamahalin kita muli.
Sino ka man? Uy, thank you dun sa sweater, guys. Yung sweater, nagustuhan ko, guys. Super. Ending eh, tama yun.
Mali man ang ikaw ay diin ko. Ako'y
Isang bulag na umiibig sa'yo.
at kahit
Ano ba ang
iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging
sino ka man?
mahal kita pagkat mahal.
Thank you for the 1 year support. That was crazy, guys. Supporting someone for a year. I just can't imagine. I am so thankful sa inyo. Although I know na you guys are original fans of Esnir, but you guys are still supporting me kahit personal ko lang ganap. Ayun, thank you. Iyak ako sa inyo kasi wala hindi shout out. Sakit naman to. Shout out sa plato. Pa-shoutout please, birthday ko na mamaya, 14 minutes na lang. Wow, naka-oras yung birthday niya. Hi Ronnie Maat, happy birthday to you. You deserve the best birthday kasi ikaw ay magaling sa iyong ginagawa. God bless you more. Ano deodorant mo? Hindi ako nagdi-deodorant. Kaya may putok ako guys eh. Hindi, pero hindi ako nagdi-deodorant. Kaya pinuputok ako. Kiss me and smile on me. Any new hobby or interest these days? Well, wala. Busy si Budoy eh. Busy tayo guys, wala akong bagong hobby. Pero nagpaplano ako kasi I think I need to do something new for myself because I always work. So I need to do something na hindi work. Diba? Grow a guard. Saan ko lalagay yun? Yeah, random lang yung playlist ko eh. Where's my next travel? Hindi ko alam. Dami pang ganap eh. Thank you for being an inspiration. Dapat di kinahiya ang pagiging balbon. Hoy, ba't mahihiya ka pag balbon ka? No. Nice to see you. Hello. Ang ganda ng hair mo kanina. Talaga? Alam mo, doon ako hirap. Kasi alam nyo, iba-iba kami ng stylist. Kasi may provided makeup artist at hairstylist. Tapos, so first time nila ako hawakan palagi. So, ang hirap. So, minsan, nakukuha, minsan hindi. Ang hirap. Yung pilot episode niya, medyo sad ako kasi, joke lang. Maganda po, pero, kasi, syempre may nakasanayan tayo na hairstyle. Kaya andito yung magaling mag-hairstyle sa akin, si Lionel Fabros. Hi, Lionel. Sakto ka sa topic ko, ah. Ay, hindi na po yun ilalabas. At hindi na po natin sasagutin. Dahil may mga bagay na kahit na kung hindi mo pa itatanong ay hindi mo malalaman. Ano daw? Diba? Lahat na mag-Bearmans. Ay, lapit na mag-Bearmans. Oo nga eh.
There was a time when I opened my eyes and there you were.
Bossing, pwede ba mag-apply ng SK mga college first year sa Kupang? Pwede. Kaso tapos na. Isang buwan tayong nag-announce. Bakit ganun? Nakakainis. Adi sa next batch na po kayo.
When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them grow.
When I dream about you,
that's when everything's alright.
wow, may Under the Sea.
He next to me.
Parate ka po ng face card kay Maha. Sino si Maha? Salvador? When I dream about you,
Girl, you never go away.
just close my eyes.
Cause I still love you.
Makdo pose. Makdo. Pwede naman.
How can I get you to see that I'm falling apart since you've been gone? I can never be sure
Wala.
I could ever let go of your love.
Gusto niyo ba yung totoo? Isabit. Joke lang.
There are some things that I guess I'll never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go.
Flex biceps.
When I dream
About you.
that's when everything, that's when everything's alright. You're in my arms, yes,
Forever.
when I dream about you, girl, you never go away. Just close my eyes, wait for my dream. 'Cause I'm still
Yan, minsan pag mukha ka ng tanga, i-stop ka. Fantasy to.
there are some things that I guess I'll never know. When you love someone, you gotta learn to let them go.
Pag 12 na, sleep na tayo, ha?
When I dream about you, know you never go away. I just close my eyes, wait for my dream. 'Cause I still
Hi Lawrence, sa ating masipag na taga-edit, oh. Hello sa'yo, ha? Shout out, ha? Nagkita na ba tayo? Sana magkita tayo. Anong OPM song ang gusto mo i-perform sa Vibe? Ang tanong, pag-performin ba? Ayoko na mag-perform, guys. I'm not a performer. Joke lang. Baka mapahiya lang yung show. Bumaba yung ratings. Ay talaga, hindi mo open live ng Vibe sa Dubai. Kasi sa Philippines siya. Sabi, pag mukha ka ng tanga, let go, nahuhu. Totoo naman yun. Ang mahalaga doon, nagawa mo yung part mo. Naipakita mo sa tao yung genuine, ano mo. Genuine, I don't know. Tapos pag ano na, syempre, kusa ka naman titigil pag alam mo nagmumukha ka ng tanga. Tsaka alam mo yun.
If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent, was listening too fast. catching all the words, but then the meaning only plan.
Pogi naman ang jowa ni Sam. Sino jowa ni Sam?
Gotta miss you, and I'd go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to you.
Bye-bye! Ang puyat mo na ho. Anong sikreto? What's that? Ang puyat. Hello, May. Ubus na yung penoy. Binigay ko sa bahay. Pero yung itlog na pula sa akin lang yan kasi favorite ko yun eh. When the time is right, it will happen. Yes, it applies to all. When the time is right.
And the reasons that would make her stay, I learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. If I can have the one
Birthday ni Tan, kailan? Ngayon or mamaya? Hello, Tan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana ay mag-birthday ka araw-araw. God bless and more blessings sa'yo. Ay, ba't parang malungkot yung live, sabi? Yung song kasi, ba't ba yun kasi? Home tayo. Akala ko gift yung salamin. Totoo pala. Ah? Ah? It will all make sense one day. Yeah.